Engaging warp speed. Prepare to brace. 8, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, but it's probably one of the guys going to the toilet or something.
Well, why don't you just go and see who it is?
Guys? Guys, is that you? Lewis?
Please go out and look.
Why don't you go out and look?
For God's sake, you're such a pussy.
Hey, listen, hey, don't call me a pussy. What are you guys doing here?
Do you have any other modifications?
A few.
Where?
I hear you're a bit of a rebel.
Some people would say that. Others would say I just know what I want.
What's that?
To start again. This entire scene. Get rid of Shaw and Alden. Destroy their little power battle. They're destroying what they created. So I would like to destroy them.